Hi y'all, it's Debbie, your girl with pearls, and today I'm going to show you my cute Halloween coffee bar. I made that adorable little boo sign and I'll link it below. And I just took some black raffia and put it in with the Dollar Tree battery operated pumpkin lights. And then I've got the little trick-or-treat sign with the witch's hat to the side. Then a little chalkboard I just wrote boo on. Some cute boo napkins. And this adorable little ghost holding my coffee creamers, my pumpkin pie spice, and my straws. I use them as stirrers for my coffee. You know, when I come out to make my coffee in the morning, it just makes me smile. And if you like things like this, I hope you'll consider subscribing to my channel. Hit that notification bell, and every time I upload, you'll be notified. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a blessed day.